Number two, is Agile a fad or a trend? This is rather closely related to the problem with not having a vision. If you're not having a vision, your leadership will very likely not fully support an Agile transition. And this is the issue. The leadership, the C-level, has a role model function from my perspective. Everyone in the organization is looking at the C-level and how the C-level is actually living these ideas. If the leader is not fully in, why should I be in? Maybe it goes away in a few months. Why should I commit myself now to something that probably 5 months down the road will be of no interest to the organization whatsoever? In my experience, whenever you come to an organization and you try to change the organization, there may be around 10% plus minus 5 percentage points of change agents. So people that will embrace the change, that will actually become a pillar of change in the process. You will always encounter 10 to 15% of refuseniks. So people that are opposing, that are pushing back, that are not willing to change because the current situation offers a lot of advantages to them. And the rest is a silent majority. I simply wait and try to figure out in which direction the wind is blowing and where everyone is moving, and then they will join at a later stage. So if your leadership is not fully supporting becoming an Agile organization, you are in trouble. If you can never experience Gemba walks when your management comes to the shop floor or the team space where value is actually created, if they never attend ceremonies or meetups that you're organizing, if they never point at successes and failures in reports or the weekly newsletter that they're sending out to the organization or the monthly newsletter, whatever that is, something is not going according to plan. Something is wrong.